Bueno, mis amores, ustedes se preguntarán, ¿y qué hace Kelvin Mensah ahí sentado? Bueno, vamos para allá. Yo estaba sentado, yo dije, mi esposo, ay, mira los pies de mi esposo que estaba afuera con chancleta, no, mira los pies. Baby, what are you doing?
Baby.
Explain them.
Baby, I'm fixing my wife socket in the kitchen. They messed up and I don't like the way my wife changed the socket back and forth. So
How you call that?
socket. Socket.
Oh, Jesus, hallelujah.
Socket.
This is the old one.
Yeah, I'm gonna
And
change.
he put the new one. Well, that's his job.
This is the old one.
Oh, that's the old one. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the old one.
This is the new one, baby.
This is the new. Okay, the blue one.
Yeah.
Okay. Because one side works, one side is not working. That's what happened.
Yeah, this one messed up. Let me see one messed up. You see? It's not functioning anymore.
You think we can fix it?
It's baller now, baby. Say it, baller.
Bola.
Baller means trash.
Bola is bola. It's bola.
It's
I want to
baller.
see if that works. My husband fix everything. Maybe he can fix it.
Oh, really? Because I fixed the gun for the glue, so you think I fixed everything.
Well, this is a mini blog. This is people are gonna say, "Hey, it's dirty feet."
Well, we're working. That's the only thing I can do to fix it. So, whether you're gonna say I'm nasty or
Look at him. Está sudado. El negro está sudado. Y que la amiga de la quiere el negro. Bum, 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 bum.
Rosita.
Bum, 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 bum.
Mata.
Maybe let me remove this. This is in the middle. Hold on.
Yeah, we work together.
Yeah, let me remove that. Okay. Oh, that's good.
Mata.
Mi esposo me dice que yo estaba. Okay, he told I was singing that song, but I never remember singing something like that. Mata.
Mata.
No. Oh,
They're not go yet.
no. Okay. Cuando mi esposo termine lo pongo. No me cansé de estar cargando esto en la mano. Nos vemos ahorita. Miren quién está ahí arreglando el carro, Mr. Kelvin Mensah. Hey, Mensah. Mensah está arreglando el carro. Hello. Look at it. Yeah, you see him? Yay. Ahí está Mr. Kelvin. Miren
No tengo talento.
Miren el agua. Mire.
No tengo talento.
Kelvin Mensah, what are you doing?
No tengo talento.
No tiene talento para... Mira, yo tengo un revolú en esta cocina. Bueno, para las críticas. ¡Critiquen!
No tengo talento.
Mire. Bueno, ahora sí el piso se va a lavar bien. Mire, eso es que ha subido para... Mire, le ha subido como 20 veces con esa chancleta. Miren eso. Kelvin Mensah, can you explain what happened to you today?
You have a man who do everything and you still complain.
Ay, Ay, bendito papá.
Ay,
Babe, what about the swimming pool in the bathroom?
We're gonna take a bath.
You're gonna give the bath to the dog over there?
Yeah, it's too hot today, so
Wow.
we have to put a pool in the bathroom.
My husband said, babe, we have a pool. Miren yo. We have a pool. Bueno, miren esto. Ay, señores. Y este es grande, como usted es grande, caballero. Esto es para la crítica. Esto que digan, miren, dice, este piso está lleno de tierra, no porque el piso no se limpia, sino porque mi marido subió y ha bajado. Ha subido y ha bajado. Ahora sí que va a quedar este piso que mire que va a brillar. Miren esto. Miren esto, mis amores, miren esto. Ay, señores. Miren los pies, todas las tierras. Miren, pero miren cómo está de asqueroso.
Ah, Dios mío.
Dios mío, pero qué es esa suciedad. Ese pantalón, miren eso. Pero miren eso. No.
I'm busy working.
Mire, compró una pieza nueva. La voy a enseñar. Miren. Él compró esto y le dijeron que si el macho, que si la hembra, que si ni qué. Él no sabe ni lo que fue a comprar. Y ahora, bueno. Está ahí con la parte vieja que tiene que cambiar. Ok. Babe, don't worry, you have 1 month. You have 1 month to fix it.
Dios mío.
Babe, easy if you buy the new one, the long one, and you don't have to worry about anything. Or you want to try to put the old one back and back and back. Take the old one with the new one and change it. That's it. Hey, give me the same one but long.
Yeah, I go there. Maybe you remember I go there with that one. Oh, he said he don't have the male and the female, and he have only the female.
Oh well, you can give it what he want. He can give it what you need. You see what I told you? You wanna go with you? We have to go fighting. Bueno, mis amores, estos 3 minutos de fama para Kelvin Mensah se colgó, pero se colgado.
No. For me, I think.
Yeah. You fail. You're not plumber. You fail.
I don't fail. Listen to me.
Listen, Linda.
The problem is.
The problem is you don't know what you're doing.
No, wait. Let me explain. The problem is that the top. Remember, they have a metal and a plastic. The plastic with the metal. This is a metal. So when the metal goes, I screws and turn because you have to turn to a level to get tight. You understand? Before they get to that level, they go straight because it's a plastic and they
break it.
They go over, those, they go double and they go straight. And the water comes with pressure. So anytime the pressure comes, it's leaking. So the other one is the metal. You understand? The metal one. The metal is not gonna go straight. You understand? The metal is not gonna go straight. That's the problem. Where's the other one? Okay, something like this. You see, this one is a metal. There's no way it can go straight. That's the problem. That's only the problem. Because it's supposed to go like this. It's supposed to go like this. Only this. Supposed to go like this.
And tie.
And tie. It has to tie. This one not supposed to move. Now it's completely tied. You understand?
And the other one?
And the other one, because it's plastic, it goes straight.
Okay, this is my husband. You see what happened when you try to be the cheaper one?
You say I should buy the...
No way. I don't know nothing about Plumber.
I don't know. I didn't know either. I didn't know that's full of crap. Why is that 25 cedi?
Exactly. Okay, because the problem is if you put plastic, you're supposed to put plastic like this one.
Yeah, that one is plastic. That one goes complete.
Exactly.
With no problem.
But
this one...
But why you don't put that one there?
This is not the problem. This is only to tie, to be stiff with the sink. The problem is this one.
Okay. But this one, this came plastic. That's what I'm telling you.
Oh, but they don't have the plastic one.
Okay.
Look, you see, that's the problem. That's why I caught it from there, because already cut straight from this one. You see, when you put it inside, it keeps staining. And
you
they
break
never
it.
stay. Yeah, so I caught it from there to...
But you're supposed to get that one plastic. Remember. Oh, yes, mío.
All right, don't worry, I'm gonna fix it.
When?
Now, let me go get that thing.
What thing?
I need to get that one. I spent 25 cedi for nothing. Nothing. It's like I buy the metal one will be better. Oh my God.
But babe, you can try to check this one. It came out with this part in plastic. Bueno, mis amores, nos vemos ahorita. Vamos a dejarlo aquí con este revolú. Ay, mira lo que me toca a mí después limpiar. Anyway, pero a mí me gusta. Mire, pero como yo tengo agua como es. Miren esto. ¿Sabes que este video van a ver las criticonas a decir, ¡ay, Dios mío! Nena, ven y me ayudas a limpiar.
How many people gonna talking about me? Kelvin, you make a mess and this and that. I try my best to help.
Okay,
to save money.
Nos vamos a ver, mis amores. Nos vemos ahorita. Bye bye. Say bye, babe. Ahorita le enseño la parte final cuando lo arregle y cuando limpiemos el piso, ¿ok? Para que no critiquen. Bye. Pintando la casa, la cocina. Ya mi esposo terminó casi toda la cocina. ¿Por qué pintamos? Bueno, pintamos porque nosotros no somos personas que dejamos revoluciones. Esta es la pintura, no es que está mal pintada, es que está mojado en algunas partes. Y esa parte ahí no está pintada, pueden ver la diferencia. Mi esposo va poco a poco ahí pintando. Ya se, aquí ya se vació todo esto.
Mr. Kelvin, are you a painter?
Mr. Kelvin, you are painter. You are painter.
I'm a professional painter.
Ese profesional. Le vamos a dejar la mesa aquí con la bandera. Mi mesa! Así que.
We're gonna leave our Puerto Rican stuff here.
Yes.
Is the
Puerto Rican in the house. Proud to be Puerto Rican.
See, we're gonna leave them a symbol of Puerto Rico in Ghana. Nigeria comes in, we leave our symbol. If whoever comes in.
Yeah. I know it's not gonna be another Puerto Rican, but.
Why? And people gonna say, why are you guys painting when you are leaving?
Because we are not nasty person. It wasn't dirty anyway. But only we're gonna paint is the kitchen because the grease and stuff when we cook. That's it. The rest is up to him because everything is clean anyway. We don't have children. The only children is the dog and the dog is outside. Bueno, un poquito mis amores para que vean. Esto cuando se seque pues va a quedar un poquito como más clarito. Aquí está, miren esto. Ajá. Dice Kelvin pintando. Nos vemos. Bye bye. Miren esto, mis amores. Miren. Yo voy a sacar el agua Pero miren el agua otra vez. Yo saqué todo el agua. Miren, el agua otra vez. Miren. Ok. ¿Qué pasa? Que mi marido había comprado esa. Entonces tuve que ir y gastar dinero y comprar esta que es de metal. Miren esto. Miren que chulo es naskin. ¡Ay!
Ay, Dios mío.
Ay, Dios mío, Kelvin. Entonces, yo le dije que no comprara la chiquita, que tenía que estar. Le compraste una larga. No hay. Pues miren, sí le encontró. He find the big one. Better. Amazing. Y también está el Kelvin ahí. Mira, él tenía, esto era lo que tenía. Esta gente tampoco son inteligentes porque tienen que poner una que la persona está poniendo dos. Entonces ahí está el Kelvin fajado. Mire, yo digo, mi barrio llena todo.
If you want a cheaper stuff, you end up doing double job.
Exactly.
Please avoid cheaper stuff.
Mire, mi esposo dijo que él aprendió. What you learned today?
Today, I learned spend the big
For
money
quality.
to buy the quality, even if it's expensive.
Yes.
Because quality, you do it once. I suffer all day.
For 2 days.
All 2 days. Oh no. All 2 days
Miren ahora.
for that.
Mire qué bonita.
No.
Wow. You're gonna put a tape first before put it there. Mis amores, miren eso.
Hey, Nikki, what is it? Your father is busy.
My husband say, no, I learned my lesson today.
My wife wanted pressure. The water is working, but she said she wanted pressure. The pressure is not coming.
Is the pressure give me pressure to you?
The pressure give me pressure. Give me pressure and headache. Oh, 2 days. 2 days.
Oh, my husband.
This is too much.
It's okay. That's life. Now you learn, mate. You learn.
To be a man is not easy.
Yeah, that's exactly what my husband say. My husband say, if I not be a man, if I hard like this, I don't get married.
If you're not married, wait to be rich first, so that you pay for everything.
You need help.
Maybe, yeah, of course.
Ok, hold on. Ok, mis amores, voy a aguantar esto. Regreso ahorita porque voy a aguantar. Bueno, mis amores, ¿qué es esto? Miren lo que Kelvin Mensah está haciendo. Dice que el carro está muy sucio. Miren esto. Él sacó todo para limpiar. Miren. Miren todo el sucio. Y eso fue el día que nos fuimos. Él dice que nunca me había limpiado este carro. Dice, él está trabajando ahora que con Toyota.
No, baby, I was there when they fixed it, so I know everything I will.
Mira, look at this. Look at this. Él sacó todo, miren, miren esto. Él sacó todo lo del carro.
If you want to clean your car complete from A to Z, you need to follow my process.
Wow.
Okay, you can clean it complete. Because since we bought the car, we never clean it like that, and you know, too much mess inside. And
Wow.
sometimes when I open it in the morning, I see cockroach. I'm sorry to say, but it's true. I can't lie to you. So I decided today to remove from A to Z complete. Look at what they do here. You see the cockroach to make a mess everywhere.
Señor. Bueno, para la crítica, para los que les gusta criticar, ahí tienen para
You're
que...
gonna say, Señores, Kevin. Kevin.
Señores, baby, I say, for those people who like to, who enjoy criticize, they have now, a subject.
Hey, what are you gonna criticize me about? It's my own car. I choose to open it and do whatever I want to do with it. But this is not in the bad way.
But to clean.
Keeping it in the good condition.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I don't care whatever some of you gonna say. After all, it's not your car.
Remember, they're not gonna. The people who follow you, they're not gonna criticize. It's those people who come to.
What is criticized about this? That
you're a clean man.
Yeah, that I'm clean man, or I'm cleaning, or I remove inside the car like that. It doesn't, it's not against the law. It's my own car. I can choose to do whatever I want to do with it. You understand? And it's a mess. I need to clean. Even today, my wife say, "Oh my God, your car inside looks so dirty."
Yeah.
Because
that's what exactly what I'm saying. My husband said, "Oh, really? Okay, let me clean it."
And I've been wanting to do this since, but I don't have the chance.
Let me bring something. They're gonna help you there. Hold on a second.
I have that.
Okay, Mr. Kelvin Mensah, can you explain to your subscriber what are you doing?
If you have a problem with your car like this,
let me see what are you doing.
I need to mix this. This is called filler.
Okay.
This will make a body works or any replacement to your car.
This is a 20 city.
Yeah.
That's amount.
Yeah. 1 point.
Oh, you mix with that. What is that?
This is the, I don't know what's the name, but this is the one makes it hard.
Okay.
And if you put it quickly, they get hard.
Okay.
Quickly. And you need to.
How much you need to put together?
Just a little.
Just a little.
Yeah, just a little. Because if you put too much,
like that.
Yeah, less than a minute, they're gonna get hard. And then you mix it. So that's what I did over there.
Okay.
So quickly, the more you mixing,
the more harder.
Yeah, no, I mean, the more you mixing, the more you getting ready to put it, because sooner or later they're gonna get big and hard. Mama Yvonne, I think you have a company.
Where?
They call you.
Oh, I see him. Hi, David. Mama Yvonne.
Mama Yvonne.
Mama Yvonne.
So, this is what I'm doing. You guys say, why you not take it to the shop? No, this is not.
Because my husband said,
I can do it myself.
I know. This is a handyman now. My husband do plumber. He's a technician now. He do really good job. And
you're gonna see it in the end.
Yeah. My husband is a good in everything he made. He tried to do the best.
See?
And this is important, when you put love and everything you make, do with love. And then it came out so perfect.
And we do it together.
Well, not together, we cannot do nothing, but only I.
Yeah, okay, the idea. I came to you, I tell you, I say, okay, go get it. I mean,
because I believe in you.
Oh my God.
I know my husband is a good. It's good.
Oh my God. We done.
And they be waiting for me to
open
the gate to cook.
They are here like several times.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see. Amor, le quería enseñar algo. Mi esposo había limpiado esto, se ha mantenido limpio y trajeron esta nueva. Ay, miren esto. Trajeron una nueva porque la otra estaba fea. Le cayó un poquito de arena y la van a limpiar. Pero para que vean, mi esposo hizo tremendo. El dueño está súper contento. Dice, wow, hiciste tremendo trabajo. Miren esto. Esto es. Entonces ahora están. Van a. Bueno, por aquí. Aquí tienen cemento. Pueden ver, tienen cemento porque van a cerrar esas partes ahí y a limpiar todo esto. Poquito a poquito, ya ustedes saben. Tenemos esta, son 3 y esta que está aquí, que van a cerrar. Y Mr. Kelvin, vamos para allá. Porque Mr. Kelvin siempre está haciendo algo. Ese marido mío siempre está haciendo algo. He always do something. Baby, what are you doing? Miren esto.
Like you say, I always do something.
Mi esposo siempre. Oh, now you fix it.
Yeah, I put it rough.
Yeah.
Like
you see. Miren esto. Está limpiando el aire. Usted dirá, ¿este que lo limpia Kelvin? Yeah. A presión, a gantazo.
In Africa, we don't have the tool to work, but we generate our own tool. Look, we make our own tool.
Okay. Wow, that was really nasty.
Really, I know, babe. The machine starts sounding when it's dirty. It can't breathe well. I can't breathe. Please, clean me, please. Clean me, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Don't worry, you're gonna breathe.
Today is Friday. When it's the day off, my husband works in the house. Hoy es viernes y cuando es día de libre de mi esposo, van a pintar, el dueño me dijo que van a pintar todo esto por fuera. Van a pintarla, qué bueno, me alegro mucho. Que van a pintar. Así que Mr. Kelvin. Ah, mira lo que me trajo ayer Joana, me trajo moringa. Así que la lavé, la puse a secar. Yeah, I'm gonna make moringa aquí. My husband makes the moringa aquí.
Yeah, and bread.
Yeah, yeah, we haven't made bread for long. But they give Chuck.
Huh? Yeah, but it's off.
Yes.
Yeah, it's off. They're not supposed to.
Be careful because they have water. That's. Bueno, mi amor, voy a hacer el desayuno. Así que un poquitito de las cosas que están pasando en mi casa.
Poquito a poquito.
Poquito a poquito. Mi esposo está ahí limpiando ahí. Yo voy, le voy a enseñar, vamos para allá. Mira, mi esposo va a poner eso ahí. Esto, yo la siembro, siempre tengo cebollines, pero lo voy a sembrar ahí porque ahí cae agua. Ok. Ustedes dirán, Yvonne, ¿qué hace? Les voy a enseñar, miren lo que están haciendo. Vamos para allá, vamos para allá, para que vean. Ajá. Miren esto, mis amores. Ajá. Ya hicieron, ya. Ahora lo cierran y ya. Ahí está. That's a good job. Así que mis amores, van a cerrar este. Y van a cerrar este. Y después se limpia todo esto. Se saca todo esto. Se limpia. Así que me voy para allá. Nos vamos a ver. Nos estamos viendo. Nos vemos. Ahí dejo a mi marido. Ahí está. Y yo voy para mi cocina. Me les voy a enseñar. Yo tengo aquí preparado ya lo que voy a hacer para mi desayuno. Miren esto. Voy a hacer, tengo repollo picado, tengo ajo, cebolla, tomate, huevos, cebollines. Le voy a decir algo. Esto es lo que yo hago. Yo lo lavo, lo pico, pongo una servilleta debajo y siempre tengo fresquecito. Tengo queso y tengo jamón. ¿Ok? Puedes ponerle tuna si quieres. Así que vamos a comenzar este video. Pero usted quiere trabajar. Miren eso. Este quiere trabajar. Esto es increíble. Miren con esta lluvia. Miren esta lluvia. Miren. No es relajo. Está lloviendo. Miren. ¿Ven la lluvia? Miren la lluvia. Y ese hombre. Mire, yo te les digo una cosa de Kelvin. Yo admiro que cuando él coge el día libre. Hoy es su día libre, hoy es viernes. Y él tiene que limpiar el patio, no le importa que esté lloviendo. Él dice, yo lo tengo que limpiar, lo voy a limpiar. No. Búsquese un marido que trabaje, mis amores. Búsquese un hombre que valga la pena. Porque la verdad del caso que... Ok, you, Mr. Kelvin Mensah.
My baby. You're not supposed to be inside.
Ay, ¿qué pasa, man? I said, let me see my husband. You're not supposed to be outside.
I'm working.
I know. And I'm gonna cook.
You're gonna cook?
Yeah. You're not hungry?
I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna make the thing. The bolitas.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a rice. I know you want rice.
Okay.
Hey, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is my husband. I can't believe that.
¿Qué pasó?
Are you my husband? Are you my husband? Huh?
You love me?
You love me? You love me? Yes, I do love you. Wow. You see that video?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Yo, you watching now?
Yeah, I'm watching different ones. This is sad.
This is evil.
Yeah.
That's evil. It's not sad, it's evil. Ah, mis amores. Nos vemos. Voy a cocinar. Love you guys. Bye.